Good morning, everybody, from Pumpkin and I. Do you want to say hello to everyone? Show your pretty little face. Pumpkin and I are currently making morning coffees after the big move. And now that the office is so close to my house, I can just go anytime, which is great. And although today is Sunday, I am going to the office. Hello, Pumpkin. He is the cuddliest cat in the morning. Hello. I'm going in half an hour to get cracking with tidying up and organizing everything, so that in the next couple of days we can get all the stuff in, and like humans, we can get other humans in apart from me, and we can get cracking with all the orders backlog. So I will update you from our tidying up process. Hello everybody, guess where I am? I am in our new office. Let me give you a little messy tour so that, you know, in a couple of days time we can compare notes and see where we are, and enjoy a nice tidy office, a nice organized office. Shall we have a look? Let's do that. Okay, so as you walk in, you have this carpet, and then we have all sorts of beautiful mess that I'm working on. Look at that, made a really nice dent. That was all covered in boxes. So I made a really nice dent here. And yeah, this is still waiting for me. Now we have this gorgeous white bookshelf, which I did tell you about before. This is from Maison du Monde, and it will be there. Sorry for pointing. I know that apparently pointing is rude. I don't know. Anyway, so we have the kitchen. It needs a little bit of work there. All our appliances are not here yet because we've got coffee machine and whatnot. And then we have the bathroom I told you about before, and we're going to use it for storage because we don't need 2 bathrooms. And then we've got a little toilet. What is that? Scary. That was a scary noise. Did you hear that? Anyway, so this is what the office looks like now. My little director's corner is going to be in that corner there. And actually we have the humidifier running because it is just a little bit damp in here, but I've put heating on and it's getting much better. The place warmed up so quickly, which is unlike our previous place, which our previous place it just took ages to warm up and then kept the heat for the long time. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, this is my desk. This is my new desk. I know it doesn't look like a desk, but basically, oh, it's unplugged. I would have shown you. It's a desk that goes up and down. And because I'm very tall, I have problems with finding a desk and a chair that's right for my height and posture. So I've got this desk, and also another beautiful thing is, oh, look. So here is the situation, right? When I work and like one of the girls wants something, needs something, or you know, if I work in a stockroom and I just want to quickly pop around to check my emails, then with the normal desk I have to sit down and, like, you know, sit down on a chair or bend, and anyway, it just wasn't working for me being on the move all the time. So with a standing desk that can also be a sitting desk, I can have it set up as a standing desk, and if I need to check my emails or check, you know, what came through, then I can just quickly pop around the desk, see what that was, and then go back to the stockroom to do the work I was doing. That's basically it. If that was utterly boring, please don't unsubscribe. But on a related note, look, I am actually vlogging every day, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it, and I'm going to be showing you more and more of the craft books live. I would love if you could please like and subscribe and comment. It would mean the world to me. Please do that. And it also works for the YouTube algorithm, you know, it just helps us greatly, and hopefully if you're enjoying these videos, then you're going to be suggested more of the videos from the small business owners. Let us have a look at some shelving, because I have worked on this. So this is the table, the packing table you've seen in the other office, and this is the shelves. These are the shelves that I have stuffed already with papers. Now we have much more space, which is wonderful, because we have all this, and you can see some sneak peeks of stuff that's going to be going on the website soon. Keep an eye. And we have all this, and then we have another row. And my Helen has been begging me, sorry Helen, for a resin table that is in front of the window. So as we seem to have fitted the racking just fine, we have the resin table in front of the window, and we're going to keep our molds, all our molds in there. Before we had them on like a floating shelves. You have probably seen them in the previous office, but now they're gonna live there. I just wanted to say I am so happy. I am so happy. This place has such a good vibe. This is, I would like to clarify that the previous place it's not that it didn't have a good vibe. It had a lovely vibe. We were there for 3 years, and you know, and if it so happened I would go back to the same landlord, I would go back to the same place. But the problem we had with the previous place, and I think this is particularly difficult for creative people, and you know, for someone who's supposed to be creative every day, we didn't really have much natural light. And in my own office, you have probably seen when I did a little walk through around the office in my saying goodbye video, which I will try to remember to link below. In my saying goodbye video, you have seen how dark my office was, and that is really, really hard for someone creative to not have a daylight. So now this office, it has really good ceiling lighting, which I can already sense is going to be a pain in the bum to get to change the bulbs, but it's got tons of natural light. We don't have the blinds open at the moment, they're all closed, and yet it's still really nice and bright, as you can see. Some of them are just a little bit open. We're waiting for new blinds to come in so that they are fully functional, because at the moment, if I open these blinds, I will never be able to close them. So waiting for the new blinds to come in. That's just little silly admin stuff really that's happening. But yeah, it's just like, that's how I feel. Anyway, just wanted to say one more thing. The country is going into lockdown this Thursday. I'm filming this on Sunday. So our country, UK, if you, I don't know where you're watching from, we are based in the UK. We're going into lockdown again on Thursday. Well, whatever political views one has, you can't deny that it is necessary to break this cycle of this virus going through, and this is what the government is trying to do. You know, be it late or early, or you know, be the right choice when it comes to closing this or leaving this open. I'm not going to go into details into, you know, my opinions on that, because this channel is not about that. The point being, and the fact is, that the lockdown is happening as of Thursday. If you are on your own, if you are, you know, staying, shielding, you know, if you're worried about this lockdown, then once again, I just wanted to say you are not alone. And just if you're feeling really lonely, trapped, if there's any reasons for you to be concerned because of this lockdown, then please reach out to someone. It's so important. I do understand how this lockdown really affects people's mental well-being. You know, I can't really say that I had it bad in this lockdown. I was able to go to work, so I had this kind of, you know, routine I could carry on with, which wasn't much different for me. But it has still played with my mental health at times. So I just wanted to say, if you're feeling those effects because you're alone, because because you have to shield because of any repercussions that this whole pandemic situation had on your life, and so many of people have been affected, then please reach out to someone, please speak to someone. You're not alone, and just, it's so important that we just seek help if we need help. Now, here at Craftbooks, two things will be happening. Number one is that as soon as I am properly unpacked, moved in, and we are here for good, and we also have internet here, because at the moment I have no internet at all in this office here. As soon as this is sorted and we are here properly, I am going to be making videos with this gorgeous daylight. Can you see that? I'm going to be making videos, not the vlogs, the crafty videos, live sessions, and especially during the lockdown. I hope it's going to be helpful, and we can have a chat, and we can enjoy each other's company. Now, the second thing I can tell you, I am going to carry on vlogging. I'm going to carry on doing these little vlogs. I will try to keep them relatively short, like probably this one is going to be longer than previous ones, but if you just please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna check in every day, and please check in with me and leave a comment, and I hope it will bring just a little bit of I don't know, I really want to say spark of joy without trying to sound I hope I bring spark of joy to your life. This is really not what I mean. Oh, this is scary. It's making creepy noises. What's going on? I hope it's the wind. Did you hear that? Did you hear that little click click? I'm in this new office on my own. What on earth? I think I'm gonna close the door. Oh. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Whatever is there, I locked it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna check in a little bit later. For now, mwah. So you guys, the neighbor's alarm is going. Very, very windy, but look at that. Look at all the hard work I have done today, and I am so pleased with the progress. Loads of papers still to unpack. Actually, well, I say loads, but look, we've got tons of floor space, which is awesome, and I am really looking forward to like properly being here. I've got to move the internet and do all that stuff. The shelves are looking amazing. If you're after any of the pretty papers, they have been released today, the brand new ones. So you have the Christmas Traditions Resin Patina, Old Maps, Grunge Patina, and you also have the watercolor, the newspaper, and the clouds in a subscription exclusive. And 3 paper pads came out of being subscription exclusive today. And so you have the vintage letters, you have the rose gold memories, and then you have the autumn scenes. These are now available outside of the subscription. I am very, very hungry, so I'm going home. I'm going to eat. I'm going to see how much you like the pretty papers, because I had no reception the entire day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Mwah.